Okay, so you're gonna get your ring sizer in the mail. See how it has half sizes on there? You're gonna take it and you're gonna wrap it here. You're gonna put it through here and you're gonna close it. It's just like a zip tie. And you're gonna close it, close it, close it, and you're gonna pull. See, keep pulling to the smaller part. Not too tight, see? Not bad. So we're about 5.5. That's a little tight because that unfortunately is not. So you want it a little bit loose, like a ring. So you want it to move. See how my ring moves? You want it to move like a ring, see? It's not gonna go past this, but it's gonna stay put. So that gives us about 7.5. 7.5 might not fit. So you need it, see? You need it to be able to go through this fat part right here. So a little bit more. 8. So we're gonna do an 8. See? This is actually a size 8. So what that means is it's small enough here, but see, it's gonna be a little hard. I actually have to use Windex when I put this on because it's so fitted. But then you get awesome movement right here. So when you put this on, you're gonna want it to be like the way a ring would fit. So actually put it on the way a ring would. It's not gonna fall off, but there's plenty of movement, but it's still small enough to fit through this fat part of the thumb. So this is how you use it, and then you just pull it back, and it's the same. So same thing for the little midi right here. You're gonna go like this. You can close it actually too to make it easier, and then you're just gonna pull it. So pull it, pull it, pull it, until it's pretty small, until it's gonna fit. This you want it a little more snug. So see, it's right on the 2. You're gonna want it a little snug, so where there's like a little bit of a struggle when you're going like this, a little bit of a struggle, not too much, but enough, so where when it sits, it's gonna be there. This is actually a 2. So see, I have to like, it doesn't just fall off when I shake it. It's on there, just like this ring is on there. So this is a 2. This is how small a 2 is. So see, they're very close. They're comparable. This is how it should fit, okay? So this is how you measure it. I'm gonna show you guys how you have to measure your toe too. But this is the first ring you guys are gonna receive. It's either sterling silver or gold filled. You can wear a thumb ring, finger ring, or midi ring, or toe ring. Toes! Thank you guys.